Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Market Street, which is by the Chinese neighborhood. Now, before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. And we are right next to the Manhattan Bridge, right there, guys. So we'll be going south, down there. Again, we're going to be doing Market Street today. And now that you see where I am, start the journey now. Market Street, heading southbound. Division Street, Market Street. Starting point, Division and Market Street. And again, guys, right next to us is the Manhattan Bridge. Coming up at Market Street, East Broadway. And again, guys, this is the Manhattan Bridge, right next to us. We'll keep moving. And this is part of Chinatown right here, East Broadway. And this is a Chinese metal church, as you can see. Let me see, I think it's the first, yeah, it is. The first Chinese Presbyterian church. Okay, there you go, guys. Now, keep going. Coming up at Market Street, Henry Street. Again, guys, these streets are not that long. They might be about 7 to 9 blocks long. Metro Kids, preschool. Coming up at Market Street, Madison Street, heading southbound. Again, Manhattan Bridge. Around here, you guys, is mostly brand new buildings. More, you know, a few here, a few there. Right there. That's a nice building, man. But I bet the rent must be really expensive. Anyways, this is A&E Cafe or Ann Cafe, like the name Ann or Annie. Happy Medium. Coming up at Market Street, Monroe Street, also known as John J. Lamula Square, right there, guys. Check it out, guys. It's about 72 degrees right now. 72 degrees. See guys, a lot of construction. See? Construction everywhere. Manhattan Bridge. And we go here and continue. That's a Yukon. This is a nice park, guys. Nice park. You know, just people chill out, you know, relax, you know, whatever. Okay, guys, coming up at Market Street, Water Street. But I don't know what they call it Water Street when there's simply no water, you see? There's no torrents, nothing. No, just joking, but it's Water Street. And you can see, guys, we're coming to the end of the southbound. In a few minutes, we're gonna be heading back around. Again, these blocks are not. This was about 7 blocks, guys. So like I said, down here, you know, it becomes shorter. This part of the Manhattan, the south side. Coming up at Market Street, South Street. We're gonna do a 180, and we're gonna go around, guys. See? And this is not Market Street, guys. This is Market Slip, South Street. And now we go on the other side. See, again, construction everywhere. They're repairing the roads, the parks, the buildings, stuff like that. And now we head up north, up again, guys. Remember, this block only is Market Slip. So this block that I am right now, before going to the next block, this one is Market Slip. The next one will be Market Street. Just how to see that the streets even change their names at times. Same name, just last name. Like a first name and last name. Noisemaker. But those are the trains, guys. That's the Manhattan Bridge. Check out this monstrosity, guys. That's the claw. The claw. Now check it out, guys. See? Coming up at Market Slip, Cherry Street. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm going southbound. I didn't do the street. Sorry, my bad. So this is Market Street, Cherry Street. But as you can see up there, guys, so that block back there is Market Slip. This one is now, again, Market Street. See? ST. Now, we keep going, guys, north. Keep going north, guys. And this is a park. I'm gonna show it to you like this so you can see it. Wait, is this a ramp? Wait, hold on, guys. Oh no, this is, oh no, it's like a seating, guys. See, a seating so they can see the baseball or whatever they play here. It's kind of small. Coming up at Market Street, Monroe Street, heading northbound. Ooh, ramp, hold on. We gotta go through here. See, they got a ramp back there, guys. Nice. And to the ramp. We keep going on track. Coming up at Market Street, Madison Street. Another POV from here, Manhattan Bridge. Coming up at Market Street, Henry Street. And again, that is the Chinese Metal Church, Presbyterian. Behemoth, big behemoth. Let me show you here this park here, guys. Hold on. We have a Chinese lion. And this one is Sophie Irene Loeb Playground. And check out the, let me show it to you guys right here. See? This is the park. And we have two Chinese lions right here. I mean, this is a playground, you know, but, you know. Then we got this, one of the pillars for the bridge here, Manhattan Bridge. And then that's a supermarket in the inside there. But these Chinese lions, guys, Chinese lions. Now, let me give you this park. Right now I'm doing it faster. I'll come back and do another one. It's a small park, guys, but you know. And there's the other a Chinese lion right there. Now we keep going on track. Okay, guys, coming up at Market Street, East Broadway. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for walking with me on the journey. As always, don't forget to like, share, document, comment, stuff like that. No se olviden de like, share it, comentar y todo eso. Coming up at Market and Division Street. Last and final stop. Last and final stop and the Marketplace Street. When we go where we started from and finish the video, guys. Noisemaker. Okay guys, wherever we started from, guys. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you some more time. Bye.